Bitch, I was supposed to leave my house 30 minutes ago, but I decided to look for the tripod for this camera because I decided to vlog on my camera yesterday's vlog. I was like, okay, like, love it, but I need to record on my camera, right? So what I'm going to do now is do my makeup how I told you. It is easy, fast, and it looks good. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you that. We're gonna be in silence because my man is sleeping. I'm wearing AirPods because I'm watching a show. today my look is going to be a little bit more elevated. That's why I'm doing a little bit more eyeshadow, because I want to look pretty. But it's going to be simple still. And just my eyes, I'm taking a little extra time. What are these black today? It was really bad for you? Take mine. I've refilled mine. Are you using cream contour or cream bronzer or powder? This summer I like using this one only a little bit, not a lot. Do this and a powder puff like this. So what we're gonna do is the front line. Take this one first and do this, then do this only a little bit. See? Go back to sleep, baby. Oh, okay. You woke up so early. Okay. Wow. Very lightly. Like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Very lightly. Now if you can see, very lightly like this. I modify this area very lightly, not a lot of powder. Love a powder like that. A brush like this. And it looks like makeup and not like, oh, she's wearing, I mean, it looks like skin and not like a lot of makeup. Then that's it. This, you're not going to use it right now for a natural look like this. By the way, this makeup look is this makeup look is taking a little longer than how the other day, because I did my eyes. My focus is on my eyes. I literally start with my face and then just do mascara later, and that's it. No, nothing on the eyes, just mascara and brow gel. What do I have as a brush? Okay, now we're gonna do a big brush like this, like a big powder brush, and we're gonna use the darker big powder. You can use foundation powder, I use, or bronzer, but I'm going to use this, and then I'm kind of going to do this. It's my skin tone, just a slightly darker. Like that. And it just makes me look like I just came back from the beach. Very lightweight, like that. Very, like, you know how like people use bronzer? I will only do it on the outer like that. And the lighter one, you're gonna use it on the areas where you want the highlight. And the lighter one, it's literally my winter skin tone. For me, because I know that I get super oily around my nose area, I take my powder puff and do a tiny little bit, and I give it around the nose, and see, like I'm not taking a lot. There's nothing here. Oh, there's nothing here. Whatever it is, like I'm taking it here. See, it's a little bit, and then put it under the eye like that, and that's it. And then we do bronzer under the eyes. That's my thing. Like I do like a lot of bronzer under the eyes. So it's my regular bronzer powder. I'm gonna do this one today. Oh, it's not a bronzer, it's a blush. This one. And then this. Then I do like a little bit of a nose contour while I'm at it.